Today, we're going to learn how to draw a mermaid. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this, and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. Start by drawing a circle on your page for our mermaid's head. Inside, draw a line going down and across the centre. These will be our guidelines when drawing her facial features. Next, draw a small line placed at the bottom of the circle for her neck. Then, for the torso, draw a rough rectangular shape that has soft edges. From the two top corners of our rectangle, mark a line either side for her arms. At the end of these lines, draw a little circle which will be for her hands. We can add in her thumb and fingers coming out of her circular hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure that the thumb is placed slightly further away than the rest of the fingers. Next, we're going to plan out where we want to place our mermaid tail. At the bottom of the torso, draw a nice long curved line. Repeat this for the other side of the torso. We can connect them together by marking out the mermaid's fins. Draw a petal shape for each fin. Now it's time to take your pen for our outlines and finer details. Start by outlining the mermaid's face, but only cheek to cheek, to create a U shape. Then, on either side of the face, draw in her ears. After this point, use our neck pencil sketch as a central guideline, drawing 2 lines on either side. Use the same technique for the mermaid's arms, by using our pencil mark as a central guideline, drawing 2 slightly curved lines on either side. Repeat this for the other arm. We can then move on to drawing over our thumb and fingers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do the same on the other hand. Time to add some more details to the mermaid's torso. Using the central point between the mermaid's shoulder and arm, draw an M shape that reaches the other side of the torso. After this, draw along the rest of the mermaid's body outline. Go along the tail and around her fins. You can make the tips of the fins slightly pointed. Next, we're going to draw in the face. We're going to use our guidelines to help us. Using the central point between the left ear and the line going downwards, we can fill in a tiny circle for the eyes. Then, doing this on the other side. The best way to make a character look happy is to give them some gently curved eyebrows. We can then draw in a little nose and a big smile. As our mermaid lives underwater, we're going to give her lots of wavy hair. You can add in as much wavy hair as you want. For some finer detail on her torso, we can add in a shell for an accessory. On the tail, we can add in some texture by drawing little U shapes that are randomly placed. This will represent her scales. Wait for the pen to dry and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a mermaid. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out to see what else you can draw with a few simple shapes.